Raptors, right? That's the Raptors?
That's the Raptors.
What's that?
Quality and safety on our construction project. Walsh is a proud sponsor of the 2024 show.
All those stripes,
Just a moment.
and you earned every one.
We're going to welcome RJ home to receive
So close, wasn't it?
to come in low, hopefully to evade enemy radar. Hop up, roll inverted, and then roll upright and deliver the weapons as we see right now, high and directly in front of us. These two aircraft were designed by Bell Aircraft. The lead aircraft, the AH-1 Zulu, just did the strafing run. It's the first helicopter ever built from the ground up to be an attack helicopter. It was preceded in history by the earlier version of the UH-1 Yankee Venom.